I started my career, most engineering companies hardly used computers.
The danger for these customers in terms of not getting involved in AI is they may not even have 60% capacity in the future.
Every engineer is going to be using AI every day.
Think of AI as a force multiplier.
The later you are, you'll fall behind competitors. People who wait, not only do they get in later, but they don't have a chance to build up what I call their AI IQ.
When it becomes at a certain comfort level that people sort of say, wow, maybe this would work. And then when they see tangible evidence of things working.
Well, now that Leo AI has developed an Onshape integration, reasoning through design ideas, generating concepts, searching for parts, checking for correct part mating situations, but I also think we'll unlock new use cases that, frankly, we probably can't even imagine yet.
Don't stick your head in the sand. The world is changing.
Leo AI is part of that second half of the story, the great story of software tools helping engineers.
Get started. Start yesterday.